pregnancy symptoms. Be that as it may, even before you miss a period, you may speculate, or trust, that you're pregnant. For few ladies, early side effects of pregnancy start in the initial couple of weeks after origination. Pregnancy manifestations can likewise change in their force, recurrence and span. The accompanying early signs and manifestations of pregnancy agenda are just a rule. Numerous early pregnancy manifestations can seem like routine premenstrual inconveniences. Delicate, swollen bosoms. Your bosoms may give one of the principal side effects of pregnancy. As ahead of schedule as about 14 days after origination, hormonal changes may make your bosoms delicate, tingly or sore. Or then again your bosoms may feel more full and heavier. Fatigue. Exhaustion and tiredness additionally positions high among early manifestations of pregnancy. Amid early pregnancy, dimensions of the hormone progesterone take off. In sufficiently high portions, progesterone can put you to rest. In the meantime, bring down glucose levels, bring down circulatory strain, and expanded blood generation may collaborate to sap your vitality amid your pregnancy. Slight draining or cramping. Now and then a little measure of spotting or vaginal draining is one of the primary indications of pregnancy. Known as implantation dying, it happens when the prepared egg appends to the covering of the uterus, around 10 to 14 days after treatment. This sort of draining is typically somewhat prior, spottier and lighter in shading than an ordinary period and doesn't keep going as long. A few ladies likewise encounter stomach cramping from the get-go in pregnancy. These issues are like menstrual issues. Nausea with or without heaving. Morning infection, which can strike whenever of the day or night, is one of the great side effects of pregnancy. For few ladies, the nausea starts as ahead of schedule as about 14 days after origination. Sickness appears to stem at any rate to some extent from quickly rising dimensions of estrogen, which makes the stomach void all the more gradually. Pregnant ladies additionally have an uplifted feeling of smell, so different scents, for example, nourishments, cooking, fragrance or tobacco smoke, may cause influxes of queasiness in early pregnancy. There are a few indications and tips to help battle the impacts of morning ailment. Food revulsions or longings. When you're pregnant, you may wind up turning up your nose at specific nourishments, for example, espresso or cinched sustenances. Nourishment yearnings are regular as well. Like most different manifestations of pregnancy, these nourishment inclinations can be credited to hormonal changes, particularly in the main trimester, when hormonal changes are the most sensational. Headaches. Right off the bat in pregnancy, expanded blood flow brought about by hormonal changes may trigger incessant, gentle migraines. Just feeling pregnant. This early pregnancy side effect might be the motivation behind why you are checking this rundown at the present time. Numerous ladies trust they have an instinct about pregnancy signs. Their instinct is regularly demonstrated right. Possibly you simply feel unique, drained, ill-humored, nauseous, tipsy. You may likewise have acid reflux, clogging, or end up making progressively visit outings to the latrine. Maybe you feel a dull rub or solidness in your lower back, you have sore bosoms or they appear to be excessively touchy, or you are just not feeling like your typical self.